Hey guys, this is Dr. Zenny Scott. I am a pediatric pulmonologist based in Asheville, North Carolina. Since the start of spring season, if you have been sneezing, coughing, runny nose congestion that is not improved with antihistamine like Claritin or Zyrtec, such as from the previous years, then you might have asthma. We know that allergy can be a trigger of asthma development or asthma exacerbation in the sensitized individual. So for instance, during spring right now, the tree pollen count in our area continue to be medium to high count. And people develop cough, difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness. This is because when you are allergic and you are exposed to this pollen, your airway becomes hyperreactive, your immune system reacts, it causes airway swelling, narrowing, and obstruction. And this obstruction is the cause of your chest tightness and difficulty breathing. So, if you have been sneezing for the past few weeks, please get yourself tested for allergies and talk to your doctor. And if you have any question, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer any question you might have.